this is Jen. Today is March 8, the International Women's Day. I am in the city of Longyan. Now I'm walking in the most busy shopping area in our city. Our city is located in the south of China. Actually, this epidemic is not very serious in our city. Only 6 people infected. But our government has very strict policy to control this epidemic, so the life just become normal recently. As you can see, the people walking in the street, all of us are wearing the mask, and not many people do the shopping. But we believe our life will become very hopeful in the future. We believe in our government, and we believe in us. We believe in us. Thank you.